Is anybody new to TestBash?
We're going to have some talks and then some lovely canopies because we are very posh here.
It's on your app.
Have you all downloaded the TestBash app?
Oh, and
Active listening, which is what you're all doing right now, I hope.
Some big news to announce.
there are a hell of a lot of challenges.
And what do points make?
One person could be walking away with all of this. Woo!
We need to go big.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you very much, Fiona.
That's something that I've never seen at a TestBash before, and it was really, really cool.
That deserves a round of applause in itself. Yes.
Can you just remind me of the question again?
Just find someone in one of the blue Ministry of Testing t-shirts and they will help you, because they love to help.
Get your ticket sorted or start buttering up the people at work so they can sort out your ticket.
It'll be fun, trust us.
Turn up the big tune them.